Sewing up a straight edge using whip stitch. There are many ways to sew crocheted pieces together. In this video, we'll show you how to sew up a straight edge using whip stitch. The whip stitch is perfect when finishing crocheted cushions, hats, and garments. We'll use a contrast colour in this video so that we can see the stitches nice and clearly. First, align the pieces you'll be sewing together with the right sides facing you. Ensure both edges line up from the starting point to the end point. Next, thread your sewing needle with a length of yarn. Bring the needle from the back of one of your pieces through the first stitch up to the front. Then down through the first stitch on your second piece and out the back. Bring your needle up from the back to the front on the first piece again. Then down through to the back on the second piece. Continue threading your needle and yarn through both pieces until you have reached the end of your seam. Top tip: if your crocheted pieces are large, you can use pins to hold the pieces together while you sew. When you've finished, you'll see a neat row of diagonal stitches along your project. You can now seam your projects together using whip stitch.